Hello my wonderful students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see class 4 max chapter number 4, the last part of this video. Okay, so part 1 2 is already completed and these pages explanation is already given. So if you missed to watch it, kindly watch those videos. And also WhatsApp group is created for class 4. The link is there in the description box. Click the link and join the channel. Those who need the worksheet for practice, the worksheets are already ready for max. For example, I show you one worksheet. This is hide and seek worksheet, and this one is shapes around worksheets. And the next worksheet I have for periodic test, building with bricks, and all the worksheets are ready for practice. Okay, and if you need these worksheet, you have to join the channel and select the option lesson wise worksheet, pay rupees 599 and send me an email to kv.catherine@3107 @gmail.com. I'll be sending all the worksheets for English, Maths, EVS, lesson wise worksheet, monthly worksheet, grammar worksheet, everything. Okay, it will be very useful for your exam. And half a year exam revision is also started. English 1, the first 3 lesson is already completed. So if you want that link also, do let me know. I will give you the exam link. Okay, so this is going to be very helpful for your half yearly exam. Okay, so now we will go to the page where we completed. So this one. So let us start the video now. Let us play. Make the place value slider. Children can take turns to increase or decrease the number as they told. So here 2015 is marked. So this one is the slider, so that we can move this up or we can move this down to make the numbers. Okay. So 1895 increase by 1. So ones place now we have to increase. So when you increase the ones place, what this will become? 1896. So now we have to move the slider here. So 1, and you have to take the, so this one is 1000, 100, tens and 1 slider. So you have to move the slider accordingly. So you should get 1896 in the slider. Okay. So next 2785, increase the number by 10. So if you increase the number by 10, what number you will get? 2795. Okay, and next you have decrease the number by 2. You have to decrease the number by 2. What you will get? 3367. 9 minus 2 is 7. Next, decrease by 10. If you decrease by 10, 5638. Okay, and increase by 20. You have to add 20. 7, 8 plus 2 is 0, balance 1, 5 and 6. You will get 6507. Okay, you have to adjust this slider, but here I cannot able to do it. But if you made a chart, if you made a slider in class activity, you can able to find this answer. This is like a activity thing. Okay, next. Let us think. Ram wrote 7,000, 2 tens, 1 as 724. Is this correct? No. He wrote 724. There is no 1000 here. So 4 is like ones, 2 is tens and 7 is hundreds. So he missed the 1000 value. So it should be 7102 tens and 1 1. So it should be written like this: 7000, 100, 2 tens it's 20 and 4. So 7024 is the correct one. And next, Rika wrote 5600 tens, 3 ones has 563. This is also incorrect because she wrote 563. So what is the name here? Wrong. And how should you write? 7,024, and this should be 5,603. Okay, this is important question for your exam. Alright, next we have number line. Which of this number line between 2226 and 3226? Circle the correct answer. So you have to write the numbers between only these two. It should be greater than 2226 and less than 3226. So first we have 3300, which is greater than this. So this one is not. Next 3236, again it's greater. Next 2236. So 2236. Yes, this is lying between. Next 2216, which is less than 2226. Not this one. 2126. Yes. Next 3216. Yes, less than 3226. Okay. So these are like very easy. Next, do it as instructed. 1001 and 1038 are marked on the number line. So here they have marked 1001 and 1038. Try to mark 1043, 1069 and 1084. Okay. So next first we will do 1043. So where is 1000 here? So I will take black lines so that I will mark small lines, students. Okay. So this is like 41, 42. Okay. Wait a minute, it's not visible. Make little darker, like 41, 42, 43, 44. This is 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Okay. So now what we are going to mark, the first one. So the first one is 1043. So this is 1040, 41, 42, 43. So this one is 1043. Next is 1069. So here is 1060 and here is 1070. So just one before is 1069. So you can mark 1069 here. So 1069. Next you have 1084. So here is 85, 1085. So one before is 84. So 1084. So number line questions is also very important. Okay. Next, mark the following numbers on the number line below. So I'm going to do any two of them, students. Rest you can do it. So just check the intervals here. Okay, what intervals we have? So we have like 50s in the between. 2000, 2050, 2100, 2150, 2200, 2250, 2300. Okay. So we have 2025. So 2025 will be between 2000 and 2050. So it will be here exactly in the middle. So this is 2025. Okay, next I'll mark 2090. So where will be 2390? It's just before 2400, just before 1 point. So this one is 2390. Okay, so final one is 2460. So this is 2450 and this will be 2460, just 1 point. 2460. So it will be like 70, 80, 90 and then 2500. Okay. Next, mark the following numbers on the number line. So here you have to mark the following. So this is like same, students. I'll be doing any two of them. This one and this one I'll do. It's 5512. So it's 5500. Then it's 5525, 50. So these are like 25 intervals. So each have 25 intervals in between. Okay, so this will be like 5,000. So 25, almost like 24 number lines will be there in the between. Okay, so you have to count 512, 500 and this is like 500, 512. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to put small lines in between. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It should be like very tiny lines, students. Okay. If you have scale, you can able to do it. But it will be like between 550 and 525. Okay. So I'm marking here as 512. Next 5,695. So 5,695 will be between 5,675 and 5,795. It will be between here. 5,695. And next 5,635. 635 will be between here. Okay, 5,636 will be between 5,625 and 5,650. Mark the following number on the number line below. So we have 8,500. So 8,600, 700, 800, 900 and 1,000. So it is like 100 intervals. So now we will fill that out. So 8,600, 8,700, 8,800 and 8,900. Okay, now you have to mark these. Let me mark 8,990. So here is 8,000 and this is 9,000. Just one line before is 8,990. Okay, next we will mark 8,675. So this is 8,500, 8,600. So 8,675. No, this one is 8,065. It will be here. So 8,679. Okay. So next. Use the arrow card given below, given at the end of the bit to make different numbers. Take turns. Note that the arrow should align. Okay. So this is like a activity that we already did here. It's like same kind of activity that you have to mark. Like you have like flashcards of 3,000 and one flashcard of 400 and one for 50 and one for 2. What you will get? 3,452. Likewise, you didn't have anything for hundreds. You got thousands like 4,000. And in tens you have 80 and ones you have 5, that is 4,085. Okay, you gather to you add, you will be getting the same numbers. And what cards to be used to make 4,085? Write it expanded form in words. So 4,085, what cards you need? You need one 4,000 card and 100 cards is not required. 80 you need and 5 you need. So 4,805. So in words it is 4,000 800 5. Okay. Next, find me. Read out the number and locate them in the grid. Okay, so this is activity, students. So the number 3,782, it is marked. A 4-digit number with all the digits is the same. So a 4-digit number, so it should be in thousands and all the numbers are the same. So you have to find out that number here. So here we have 3 digits. All the 3 digits are equal. But, oh my God. So you need to find out the 4-digit number with all numbers are equal. Let me try to find it. A 4-digit number with all digits are the same. In this row I couldn't able to see 4-digit. Here 2222, so that is 2222. We can see all the digits are equal. Okay, next, the smallest 4-digit number in this table, the smallest 4-digit number in the table, you can find very easily. Number starts with 1301 or 1234, 1234. This will be the smallest, anything with 1200 students. So here 1211 we have, or I'll say anything with 1196. That is also the smallest one. It depends how do you see the number. So this number, if you see, it's 1196, the smallest one. So when you see in this side, the row column, you can change the numbers. You can able to get multiple numbers also. The largest 4-digit number, so it should start with 9. So I'll change color to blue. So 9911 or 9222, or if you do cross this side also, you can able to do. So only the numbers with 9. Let's see if there is any other 9s. 9400, and here we have 9483 that you can mark. Next, a number more than 5000 and less than 5200. So it should be greater than 5000. So here 5010, which is also less than 5200. A number between 5600 and 6300 should be greater than 5500. So number between here 5720, which is also less than 6300. A 4-digit number, all whose number digit can be found on a die. A die number. A die has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points, right? So 4-digit number, all the number which dice points. So you can write this number because all these are there in the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 will be not in the dice, so you cannot mark this. This number also you can do because the 1 is already there in dice. 6 is also there in dice. Okay, next. Use tokens of ones, tens, hundreds and thousand to identify the numbers and write them on the table. Here we have tokens arranged. So we need to fill these table out. Okay, let's complete this. So we have 6 tens and 22 ones. So what is 6 tens and 22 ones? A1. 6 tens. Where is 6 tens? So tens are 6 here and ones we have 22. Okay. So 6 tens and 22 ones is what? Is 6 tens. You have 60 and 22 ones. If you add, it's 82. It's 82. Okay. I'm going to erase this. Let's go to the B1. So we have 4 tens. And how many ones you have? 12 ones. So 410 is how much? 410 is 40. And 12 ones is 12. So you have 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have 52. Next you have 3 hundreds, 14 tens and 8 ones. So 300, 3 times 100 is 300. 4 times 10 is 40. And once you have 8, so 348. Next you have 1200, 18 tens, and 2 ones. So 1200 is how much? 1200, it's 1200. So this is 1200. Then 18 tens is 180. And you have 2 ones. If you add, you will get 1382. Next you have 1500. Tens, you have 10 times tens and 17 ones. So how you can write 1000? This is 1000 and 500, and 10 times tens is 100, and ones place you have 17. So this is 7 1 6 1. So it's 1617. Okay. Circle the number that is bigger than 30 or 300. So you have to circle the numbers now. 8. So fine, we have find out the number, right? So it's between 30 or 300. Circle the number that is bigger than 30 or 300. So this is bigger than 30. So you can circle this. And this one is also you can circle. Next 6000. No, we do not have 6000. Next circle the number that is smaller. 2 ones, 2 hundreds. So these numbers are bigger one. Or else what you can do is you can write any common numbers and try to circle those. For example, if you write 500, it is like not greater than 600 and it is not less than 6000. So you cannot circle this. Okay, if you write 200, you can circle this because it's like greater than 330 and lesser than 300. Okay. Next, comparing numbers. Jaspit and Gulnaz help to keep a record of numbers of plates used to Gurudwar every month. Use the sign and find the month where the largest number of plates were used. Okay. So here this is your exam important question, students. Very, very important. Okay. So here how many thousands you have? You have 1200 and 110 and 3 ones. So 1213 because this is 1, 2 and 3. So here how much you have? You have 2121. So this is 2121. So which is greater? So this one is greater now. Okay, now let's see the month of September. So September, how many thousands you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5000. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. So it's 5000. Sorry, not tens, ones. 5607. In October, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6000. Obviously, October will be greater because in thousands we got 6000. 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 500. And how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens is 70. So no ones here. So this is 6570. So this is obviously bigger. Okay, and November month is bigger because we have like sorry. November month would be smaller because we only have 3000 here, but here we have 4000. But let's add and see. Okay, so this is 3000. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3900. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 ones. Oh my god. 1 minute, students. So 3909. Here you have 4,000. So which is greater? This is greater. And this is October month is the greatest month. Okay. So compare the numbers using the sign again. This is 3012 and this is 3102. Why 3102 is bigger? Because when you see the digits here, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. Again here in hundreds place it is 0, but in hundreds place we have 1 here. So that is the reason it is big. Okay. It always depends the position. Okay. Next, compare the following pairs using number. Make 1,000, tens ones table if necessary. Share your thoughts. So you have to compare and write which one is the bigger. You see the ones place you have same 0. Tens place you have 9. And hundreds place you have 1. And thousand place you have 2. But here in the 100 place you have 9 which is greater than 1. So this is the bigger one. Likewise here, check the first one, thousands place. 9,000 is bigger one. Here the thousands place are same. 100 place is also same. Tens place is also same. So ones place we have 8 which is greater than 7. Okay. And here there is no thousands place, only 100 is there. Here we have 1000. So this one is greater. Okay. Order the price of the following object from smallest to biggest. So we have a stove here which is 1986, and here we have a hot pack 1099, and here we have a electric hot pack, maybe it's 1899. So which one is bigger? So the first smallest one is this one. So 1099. The next one is this one is 1899, and the biggest one is 1986. Okay. Next, the following women international cricket played 2000 ODIs. Listed below the scores, arrange the run scores by them to increase the order from the lowest to highest. Okay. So now we have to write from the lowest to highest. I'm going to mark it over. Okay. So these kind of questions are important for your exam, 5-mark question or 3-mark question also. Okay. So first all the numbers are in thousands. So we will check the least number first. So we have to arrange from lowest. So this is the first one, 4. And we have, oh no, sorry, 4 we have twice. So we have 2 times 4. So thousands place 4 4. So next we have to go to hundreds place. So we have 0 here. So this will be the least one. And this is the second one. And we have 5,000, only 1. Next we have 6,000, 4th place. And 7,000 is the 5th place. Okay. And here you can write it. The first one is 4064. Second one we have 4814. Next you have 5114. Next you have 6002. Next 7805. Okay. So next, arrange the following mountain ranges in decreasing order of the height from highest to lowest. So here in score we saw lowest to highest, and here we are going to write from highest to lowest. Again everything is arranged in thousands. So obviously we are going to see the first digit. Here we have 8. Here also we have 8. So we go to the second hundreds place. We have 5 and we have 6 here. So this is the topmost. Okay, I'll write in red. So this is the topmost and this is the second top. Next we'll go to 7. So we have 7,138, 7,816. So 8 is greater than 1. So this is the third place. This is the fourth place. So you have anything in 6,000? No. Anything in 5,000, 4,000? No. 3,000, 2,000? No. We have only in 1,000. So 1,646, 1,930 and 1,276. So 1,930 is the highest. So fifth one. Next sixth one. The lowest is 1,226. Okay, and you have to write there in the same box. Okay, so we came to the end of this chapter and end of this lesson also. So very soon I'll be preparing worksheet for this one. So those who need the worksheet, you have to join the channel, students. Monthly wise worksheet is 599 rupees. Link is there in the description box and it is really going to be very helpful for your examination. Okay. So this one, use the 9 and compare the following things. Okay, so here we have 2 tens, 4,000 and 300. So which one is greater? So 4,320. So this is 4,320. So which is greater? 4,000 obviously. Next you have 4,320. Again 4,320. So here also we have 4,320. It's an equal sign. So next you have 2,910 and ones. So this is like 2,999. So which is greater? Obviously 3,000 is greater. Here you have 15 ones, 9 tens and 3 hundreds. So 15 ones, 300 and 15 9 tens is 90, 15 ones. So this is 5, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 balance 1. This is 405. Which is greater? 1000 is obviously greater. So here 5,000 plus 30 plus 4 is 5,034. And this is equal. Next you have 5,304. So this is 5,304. This is 5,340. So this is greater. Okay, here if they give 40, then this will become equal. Okay, in exam they will not ask the same question, students. You always need to understand multiple questions will be asked. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with 0 to 9 such as the number meets the condition. Okay, so now we need to write the number to make sure that this number is greater. Okay, so you can write 7,003. So if you put 0, obviously this will become greater. And again here if you put 1, and in the hundreds place it should be greater than 5. So you can put 0 and you can put 3. Any numbers you can put, but you should make this sign correct. Okay, and here we have 5 and obviously you should put lesser than 5 here. So 0. So this is 5,000. Any numbers you can write. Okay. So this is an activity. There are 99 numbers strictly between 700 and 800. Excluding 700 and 800, how many numbers are there strictly between 7,000 and 8,000? Okay. So very easy, students. How many numbers are there between 700 and 800? So we have 99 numbers. If you add 700 plus 99, how much you are getting? You will be getting 799. So if you add 1, exactly you will get 800. Correct? Likewise, how many numbers are between 7,000 and 8,000? It will be like 999 if you add 7,999 plus 1, you will be getting this 8,000. Okay, so now we have completed, students. This portion is like very important for your half yearly exam. Okay, so worksheet will be ready very shortly. Those who missed to watch the entire video, first watch the entire video, understand the concept, and then you can start working on the worksheet. Okay, bye bye, students. Take care.